Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to analyze large PDF files with ChatGPT for free. Simply upload the file to a chat. So I'm going to hit the plus button here at the bottom left and hit files, the third option, right? Inside, we're going to select our PDF file, right? So I'm going to hit upload files here, the very top, right? Select your PDF file, let's say this one, right? And ask targeted questions. Remember, you're on the free version, so you only get like 2 shots at this. ChatGPT supports file over 100 pages, extracting summaries, pulling specific data, and cross-referencing information using advanced document parsing capabilities, right? So yeah, you can ask ChatGPT, can you summarize the key point of this PDF? This establishes the document's structure and it verifies that ChatGPT has read the full text. And instead of broad questions, you can direct the AI to specific metrics or pages if you know them. For example, highlight key statistics on page 14, or what is the policy regarding returns on page 32, right? So if your PDF is exceptionally massive, feed it to ChatGPT in segments. For example, upload like 30 to 50 pages at a time to get the most granular and accurate analysis. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.